hindi siya filter, sinasabi niya ang kwento. Hindi, he's the first one to say no. He's the first one to say, sinabi ko yan, pambansang boyfriend. Sabi ko, everybody wants to bring you home and introduce you to their mothers. The girlfriend pala was there. In my, I didn't do the interview, but she was there. She's also an athlete, German, track and field. Track din, no? She's there. Sabi ko, are you comfortable with fame? Ito nga, yung expectations ng tao. Parang, sabi ko yata, yes or no. No, I'm not perfect. Dami kong mali. Dami ko rin mali. Yun nga, ikunento niya yan. Yung problem ng pamilya nila, problem niya with the organization that handled him before. Napaka-opinionated. At saka,
saan nyo nakuha sa nanay?
palagay ko pareho sa nanay tatay na hindi nag-filter. In his own way, hindi nag-filter. At the end of a line, he's the type who would say, did I actually have to say it? May ganun siya. Parang, ba't ko sinabi yun? Hindi siya nag-filter. Sinasabi niya ang kwento. And then, he's the type of interviewee na takes his time. Pag pinoprocess, alam mo yung humihinto. And then he also shares with you his struggle. Parang, dali. May ganun. And I appreciate that with interviews. Na nagpo-proseso siya na, tama ba to? Kailangan ko ba sagutin ito? May mga ganun.
Which part, Sir Boy, na parang nakakonect ka kay DJ talaga? Parang mas nakita mo sarili mo. May part ba na ba?
Dalawa. Yung relasyon niya sa nanay niya, siyempre, yung relasyon niya sa pamilya niya, as a whole, yung tatay, yung nanay, yung kapatid, yung lola. Nakakatawa kasi yung lola nung pumunta sa Fast Talk, ang gusto lang niya makipaglitrato sa akin. It was so obvious na ito siguro yung buzz time namin. Naka-connect ako doon, naka-relate ako sa kanya kasi napaka-komportable niya around the women of his life. Napaka-komportable niya.